Hi friends, are mosquitoes irritating you or do you want to repel them? I have a solution for you. Just go to Play Store and type anti-mosquito pro. After typing, you will get this many apps. In the towers is this third one. You will get like this logo. Just install it. The app is paid, okay? It is 20 rupees, 20 INR, Indian rupees. You can buy it. The app is very cheap on the Google Play Store. If you buy from, if you install from any other source, the frequency will match and it will not affect on mosquitoes. So please buy it after buying. Install option will come or it will install automatically. Just click on install it. As you can see here, almost 5-star ratings are there, and it is quite proven and quite effective on mosquitoes. We keep on updating our app. Now the current version is 2.3. As you can see, downloads. This is a new app, and download size is less than other apps as compared. And this app has no ads. Just will wait it to install. Yeah, now it is installing. After installing, now my device will scan it. I'll wait it for scan. Now the current version is 2.3. Please don't install this app from any other source. They're duplicate, and now you click on open. After that, I like this interface will come, and as you can see here, it is proven as written here. And now you will get like these options: on button, off button, normal mode, active mode, slider, and volume 2 volume controllers. And first one is on and off. Everyone knows it. If I click on button, the frequency will play. The frequency will be of 10 hertz HZ, and if you click on off, all everyone knows this, it's gonna off. And the other two options are normal mode and active mode. First I'll play it. By default it will be normal mode, and if I press active mode, the frequency level will double. That means it will affect more on mosquitoes, and you can control the volume with slider and volume controllers. Hope you like the video. If you like, please share with your friends. Share this app in your friends. A link in description. Thanks for watching.